Dear Goenkans, today's our topic is least common multiple or LCM of numbers. Now, before discussing least common multiple, let us first of all recall what is a multiple. A multiple is a product that we get by multiplying a number with another number. For example, if I'll say that 4 multiplied by 2 it is equal to 8, it means that 8 is a multiple of 2 and 8 is also a multiple of 4, as we got this number 8 by multiplying a number with another number. We also know that a number has countless multiples. Now, what is a common multiple? For that, let us take an example that is here on the screen. Let us take number 6 and number 15, and let us take the multiples of 6 and 15 up to 10. Now, you can see the number 30 is a multiple of 6 and this number 30 is also a multiple of 15. Similarly, 60 is a multiple of 6, 60 is also a multiple of 15. So, we can here say that 30 and 60 are common multiples of both the numbers 6 and 15. So, what is a common multiple? A common multiple are the multiples that are common to the given numbers. Okay, so we can say that 30 and 60, they are the common multiples of 6 and 15. Then what is the least common multiple? Least common multiple is also a common multiple, but the multiple that is least. As we can see, the multiples of 6 and 50 here are 30 and here is 60. We can have number of multiples, common multiples of 6 and 15, but what is going to be the least common multiple of 6 and 15? It is the number 30. Now, there are two methods by which we can find the multiples, least common multiple of given numbers. The first method is the prime factorization method that we are going to discuss today. Now, what is the prime factorization method? Let us understand it with an example. Suppose we have to find the LCM of number 30 and number 20. So, what is the first step? The first step is that we have to find the prime factors of the given numbers. That is, we have to find the prime factors of number 30 and we also have to find the prime factors of number 20. So, we can write here as 2 15 are 30, then 3 5 are 15 and 5 1 are 5. Similarly, we can write here as 2 10 are 20, 2 5 are 10 and 5 1 are 5. The second step is that we have to enlist these prime factors. Now, what is the third step? Third step is that we have to write the factors in the exponential form. Now, what does that mean? Since this exponential form is a bit new to you, let me give you a quick glimpse of this. Suppose the factors of 30 here are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In exponential notation, how we can write this as? We can write 2 as 2 raised power 1. That is, here 2 is repeated only once. Similarly, we can write here as 3 raised power 1. That means this 3 is repeated here once, and we can write 5 as 5 raised power 1. That is, 5 is repeated here only once. Similarly, when we talk about the factors of 20, the factors of 20 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So, in exponential form, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. In exponential form, I can write it as 2 raised power 2. As here 2 is repeated twice, so I can write here as 2 raised power 2, and 5 is repeated only once, so we can write as 5 raised power 1. Now, what is the another step? The another step is that we have to consider all the factors. That is, we don't have to only consider the common factors, we have to consider all the factors when we have to find the LCM of numbers. So, you can see here the factors are 2, 3 and 5. After considering all the factors, we have to find the highest power of each factor. As you can see here, 2 is here once and 2 is here twice. So, we have to write the highest power of each factor. That is, I will write here 2 raised power 2. Similarly, 3 is here once and we don't have 3 here in case of 20. So, I can write here as 3 raised power 0. So what is the highest power of 3? It is 1. So I am going to write 3 raised power 1. And we can see in case of 30, we have 5 raised power 1, and in case of 20, we also have 5 raised power 1. So the highest power of 5 is 1. Then we are going to multiply these numbers, these factors. That is, we are going to multiply 2 raised power 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2, 3 raised power 1, that is 3, and 5 raised power 1, that is 5. And whatsoever is their product, that is the LCM, that is the product of these numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, it is equal to 60. So the LCM of 30 and 20 is 60. This was the LCM by prime factorization method. In our next video, we are going to discuss LCM by common division method. So that was all for today. Thank you so much.